how to get the reply option on Instagram. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First of all, open your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. For now, let's head over to one of my inbox. Well, if I tap and hold the text, you'll get to see the option of reply. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to reply to this specific text. But if you don't have this option, then what you can do is go back and head over to Play Store or an App Store. Search for the application Instagram. Here, if it says update, you need to update this application to the latest version. Updating to the latest version will generate the feature that is available on Instagram. After updating to the latest version, if it still doesn't show the option of reply, then in the next step what you can do is head over to your application Instagram. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on three horizontal line at the top right corner. Head over to settings. Move into account. Scroll down and you'll get to see the option of switch to professional account. You need to switch from your personal account to professional account. Lots of time these new features like reply feature and other feature will be available if you switch to professional account. You just need to follow this process and you'll be good to go. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to get reply option on Instagram. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.